Hello friends, just today I am going to discuss like how do we create a EC2. EC2 is what is the EC2? So let's go here, and it's a part of the Amazon. And if you want to know more things, just so you need to understand documentations. So it's the AWS cloud, and we can log in, and just you can show here it's a documentations. Look like here it's a documentations has been given, and you try to read. So it's a there are multiple EC2 virtual server in a clouds, and if you want to create something, so let's see it's the dashboard. Top features of the EC2 here: dashboard creations, launch templates, instances, export instances, request saving plans. Another is the EC2 image builders. It's a manager service to automate a build, customize and deploy OS image. And similarly, just image pipelines, images, components, image receipts, container receipts. EC2 global view. EC2 global view provides a global dashboards and search a functionality that lets you. So if you want to create like a websites and other things, like if you want to create like to sell some products here, so it's a depends on the you what do you. And otherwise, if you want to practice some programming language, so we need to create a EC2 and connect with the programming language. So today I am going to how do we create a EC2. So let's go here, and first I will come here. So EC2 here, otherwise you can go here from here also, don't worry, and you click here. So let's see, just I am going to here EC2, and just you will see here this is the EC2 dashboard. So let's see the resources, means you are using the following Amazon EC2 resources in Europe, Stockholm regions, and it's a these are the different types of the regions. And data centers exist in the Asians, American, European, and it's the instances here. So I want to create a EC2 instance first. So what should we do? We go here and let's see here. So go here, launch instances. Now we will give the some name of this. So let's see, just if I am going to the write the name of the sum, let's write as it is, like my web server, my, and it's a web, and next server. So we have, so I have given a name and tag this one. Another, just I want to create something like a AWS Linux. If you want to use Ubuntu and the others also, Red Hat, so you can select anyone, don't worry. So if I want to work like a Ubuntu, so I need to write here, click here Ubuntu. But you keep in your mind it must be like a free. So let's see, just I have clicked here, so it has the free tag eligible, so you don't need to pay anything. Next, descriptions like about Ubuntu. And similarly, if you want to take other programming language, so let's go here and put here Linux. So you can also use the others. So different operating systems, more than thousands of operating systems is here. And another just instances, no need to the change, because this one is also having it's a types of instances. So look here, and if you want to create it, so there is not a necessary but if you want to the create something, otherwise you can write here proceed without a key pair. But if you want to create a, so you need to go here, otherwise you need to write something, some specific name here. So let's write a key pair, so it's a key and it's a pair 1. Okay, so default we can write anything, just here doesn't matter. So it's a key pair and default value otherwise. So let's see, go here, I think it's a key pair. So proceed without key pair, and otherwise we write here something new. Okay, so create a new key pair. So let's go here, create a new key pair. Yeah, so let's see, you can create a new pair. So you write the name of the key pair, money key, right, and RSA you can put here as it is, and this one create a pair key. So it has been created, so you can download it, we will use in the future, don't worry. And here just if you need to some SHS, so need to go here, otherwise if you don't need to go here. So I need here HTTPS, and I need to the some store, because if you are taking a storage 30 GB, there is no need to the pair because 30 GB. So I need to take a move, so I will take here the 15 here and another anything. Yeah, if you want to the advanced details, so you can get here more informations here, like many more information. So but I don't need the anything more. So let's go here and launch here, launch instances. So you will see here I have launching instances, and this is the process. So let's go here and you see it's a refresh here, and then you will see your instance has been launched here. So look here, instances has been launched here. Now you can see your instance here, my web servers. And if you want to know about the more details, like go and check all details, look like here. So it's the instance ID here, public IP address, and these things, the private IT, these things has been given. So it's a good thing that you can use here. And let's go and apply these things. So let's just, I want to go and connect these things. So if you want to connect like it's your programming language, so it's go here, and now Ubuntu I have already selected, so and it has been connected. So this is the Ubuntu platform. It takes us some time. So it has been created Ubuntu. Now I want to, let's say, some specific command like a ls commands, use the directory listings. So let's, it has been created, and if you write here the ls and /al means formatted listing with the hidden files. So let's see here. So we can see here the multiple file has been created here. So dr, it will start the directory, and some dot something here, the file has been given here. Similarly, if you write here sorting the formatted listing by time modifications, so you need to the ls or /lt. So let's the ls and /lt. So let's see, so it's a total nothing is here. So, and if you want to change the directory to dir, so cd and dir, if you want to change the directory, so look here. So we have not created any directory and show the current working directory, so we need to the pwd is, and if you want to create a new directory, look here, your present directory is the home and Ubuntu. But if you want to create like a something new directory, so you write here mkdir and it's a name of the directory like a dir, it's a name of the directory. Yeah, I am going to create book. So let's see, and now let's check here. So your directory, book directory has been created here. Similarly, if the process like the place the standard input into the file like a cat, and it's a greater symbol, and now right here it's a file, so it's a place to your file look like here. And similarly, if you want to write something like this way, so you can is important this type of. So these are the way we can create here. So this is the way how to we create the EC2 and how to apply in the programming language. So today's sessions only how to create a EC2. So I hope this is understand and we will work in the future. Thank you very much.